Hi, today I'm going to show you how to export source code files from Base44. So, in order to do this, first of all navigate to base44.com, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on your workspace. Here, click on apps, choose the app that you're working on. Now, in order to export the source code files for this app, I'll have to simply click on this icon and choose export project as zip. So this is the icon that you'll have to click on. Choose export project as zip, then upgrade your plan. So zip file export is only available on Builder, Pro, Elite and Enterprise plan. So click on upgrade your plan, upgrade to any plan that you want and you can easily download it. Now, another way is exporting project to GitHub. So what you can do is click on this button again and choose export project to GitHub. And you can click on upgrade your plan, do a GitHub integration and you'll be easily able to download your source code files from Base44 to your PC. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.